Hello and welcome back to the channel for continuing updates in the Vallow Daybell case. Today we're going over the amended criminal complaint filed in Madison County by Robert Wood in the case against Lori Vallow. The documents are on the screen, so let's jump right into it. The Madison County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, having submitted pursuant to Idaho Criminal Rule No. 3, the sworn affidavit of Detective Ron Ball of the Rexburg Police Department, who complains and alleges the defendant Lori Noreen Vallow, aka Lori Noreen Daybell, committed the following crimes. Count number 1, resisting and or obstructing an officer, a misdemeanor. That the defendant Lori Noreen Vallow, aka Lori Noreen Daybell, on or about the 26th day of November 2019 in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, did willfully delay and or obstruct a public officer, to wit, Lieutenant Ron Ball of the Rexburg Police Department, in the discharge of his office by giving false information regarding the whereabouts of a child, Joshua Vallow, date of birth 5/25/2012, and thereby delaying the search. Count number 2, solicitation, a misdemeanor. That the defendant, Lori Vallow, on or about the 26th day of November 2019 in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, with the purpose of promoting or facilitating the commission of a crime, encouraged and or requested Melanie Gibb to engage in conduct which would constitute the crime of resisting and or obstructing an officer by requesting and or encouraging Melanie Gibb to give false information to law enforcement regarding the whereabouts of a child, specifically Joshua Vallow. And count number 3, contempt, a misdemeanor. That the defendant, Lori Noreen Vallow, aka Lori Noreen Daybell, on or between the dates of January 30th, 2020 and June 9th, 2020 in the county of Madison, state of Idaho, did willfully disobey a lawful court order in Madison County, case number referenced, by refusing and or failing to physically produce minor children, Joshua Vallow and Tylee Ryan, to the Rexburg Police Department and or the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare. All of which is contrary to the form, force, and effect of the statute in such cases made and provided, and against the peace and dignity of the state of Idaho. Said complainant therefore prays that a warrant be issued for the arrest of said Lori Vallow, and that she may be dealt with according to the law. Signed on July 2nd by Rob Wood. Don't panic, okay? This is Madison County. The 2 felony charges for conspiracy in Fremont County stand. This does not replace those. What these charges are doing are replacing the charges that were dropped already in Madison County, the desertion and abandonment charges, because obviously the state can't bring charges of desertion when we know she didn't desert the children. They were murdered. So these 3 charges just replace what was happening in Madison County, but they do not replace or overwrite or negate the charges that are in Fremont County. So those still stand. Nobody panic. It's all good. The documents, if you want to see them, there is a link to the PDF in the description below, and the documents are up in the Discord server. So, that's really all the news that we have in the Vallow Daybell case for today, but I wanted to make sure you saw this, and I also wanted to explain that these charges do not replace the felony conspiracy charges, and everything's cool. Thank you for listening. If anything else big comes up, I will certainly let you know right away. Talk to you soon.